Like many real-world applications out there, the latest and greatest version of Anaconda, which is an open source platform for managing data science and artificial intelligence distribution, can sometimes be a worse option than a previous Anaconda version that was dependable and one that perfectly met your needs. This video describes how to choose an Anaconda version that works reliably with OpenCV, especially on Microsoft Windows environments. I was inspired to make this video after I found that Anaconda failed to launch after an upgrade to its latest version. And my investigation suggested that Anaconda's upgraded version had errors working with OpenCV, which prevented Anaconda from launching at all. Obviously, since I extensively use Python and OpenCV to write my computer vision programs, I had to stick with an older version of Anaconda that worked with OpenCV without unexpected errors. So, begin by looking up Anaconda archives, the link of which is on your screen. I went through a lot of trial and error attempting to install Anaconda versions from 2022 as well as from 2024. Basically, all of these versions either presented challenges with installation of OpenCV or Dlib, which is another library I use with OpenCV, or with launching Anaconda after an installation is complete. Finally, I picked up Anaconda 3 2023.09, which suggests that it was released in September 2023. And I found that that version worked without issues with OpenCV and Dlib. Installation of Anaconda is straightforward, as shown in the next few seconds of the video. After installing, launch Anaconda and bring up the command prompt. Anaconda installs the Python interpreter. So let's do a quick check of the Python version that was installed. It's important to check the Python version since OpenCV doesn't support all Python versions. Our Anaconda installed Python version is 11, so that's good because OpenCV supports Python 11 as of this time. Let's exit out of Python and proceed to the installation of OpenCV. I avoided Anaconda's recommended installation method for OpenCV, that is using Conda package tool. Instead, I used the pip Python package installer. Head to pypy.org for OpenCV installation instructions. Link is on your screen. Before anything, I wanted to ensure that I have an up-to-date version of pip, for which I ran this command. Next, I ran the command that is showing on your screen to install the main modules package of OpenCV. Note, that this installation of OpenCV is from a wheel, which is a pre-built CPU only OpenCV package for Python. There are deep learning applications such as TensorFlow and PyTorch that work with OpenCV, and for these we might need a GPU built version of OpenCV. This is something that I have not tested yet on this environment, but I will try to publish a video on that topic in future. So there you go. You can see that OpenCV installed successfully on Anaconda. Now for the final test. I'm going to exit Anaconda and launch it again. This is where other versions of Anaconda would refuse to launch, especially after installing OpenCV. Now we can see that Anaconda has launched successfully. I hope that you found this video useful for your needs. If you did, please subscribe for more videos like this and share it with your friends. This motivates us tremendously and helps us grow our channel so that we can continue to bring you well-researched and relevant videos.